Bowling is rolling a ball down the lane. How many pins can you hit in a game?
Let's have fun and do some tempo bowling. Use some empty milk bottles or cold drink bottles as your cones. Place one hand on the bottom of your ball and the other hand on the top. Bend your knees, pull your arms back and roll the ball towards the cones.
How many pins can you hit in a game? All the lights are shining bright, purple, pink, and blue all night. All friends and you and me in a onesies bowling party.
For each bottle, you need to draw one line.
How many pins can you hit in a game?
Maatjies, ek het 6 kookbottels hierso. Nou gaan ons kyk hoeveel ek kan omrol met my bal. 2. Ek het 2 balle, ag 2 kookbottels omgerol met my bal.
He grabs his favorite ball, careful not to let it fall. He rolls it as we're cheering him, and he knocks down 7 pins. Bowling is rolling a ball down the lane.
Yes, one Coke bottle fell over. For each bottle, you need to draw one line.
Bowling party. Eunice is careful when she throws. She aims it well and does it slow. And then to everyone's surprise, she knocks down every pin straight. Bowling is rolling a ball down the lane.
How many milk bottles fell over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many pins can you hit